Okay, we're going to get started with math today. So you're going to be in your plus book, page 181. Yesterday we talked about different ways to make shape of a hexagon. Today we're going to talk about putting those shapes, different shapes together to make a different shape. So right up here we've got these shapes. They kind of look like this. Okay. And we have these kinds of shapes, which are triangles. Okay. Here we're going to see how those can be put together to make a different shape. So right up here, if I have a triangle, a red triangle, and a yellow triangle, I have two shapes that are coming together. And what are they going to make? They are going to make a square. Here's a square. So those two shapes can come together to make a square. See? They're the same. Good. So now if I have that triangle and this triangle and this triangle and this triangle, see, those are paper things that I cut out for myself. I know that this makes a square, and here's another square. So there's two squares, and two squares can make a what? What is this shape? You're right, a rectangle. So I have put these different shapes together to make a different shape. We've got two squares together, make a rectangle. Four triangles can make a rectangle. Two triangles can make a square. So we can put shapes together to make different shapes. So right down here, I've got a circle, and here I have what? Just part of a circle. I have half of a circle. So if I have put it down there, I've got 1/2 of a circle. I could put together that half of the circle using something different. Here I have half of that. And I have another shape that's left. And I can use that. Well, let me take this one off. So I can put this one on, and I can put this one on. So I can make a half of a circle using two shapes, just like that. Or I can make a half of a circle using just one shape. So I can put those together to make shapes. Here's my whole circle. That's a whole circle. What can I use to make that circle? I could put these shapes together. I could make this one shape to be half of it. And I could have another half. And those two halves, I'll put them together, and that can make a whole circle. So I can make a circle that way, or I could make a circle using these parts. And how many shapes does it take to make the circle that way, it takes 4 parts. Oh, bummer. So I can make a whole circle using 4 parts, so I can put them together to make a circle. I know it doesn't look much like a circle, does it? But trust me. If I had 2 hands, I could do that, but I gotta hold the phone too. I'm gonna do it, I promise. Quit moving around. There we go. So there's a whole circle using 4 parts. So we can put shapes together to make something new. We can put triangles together to make squares. We can put squares together to make a rectangle. Good job.